Scout. Scout is 15 days old today, and she's playing with her first toy. She was playing with her first toy, but she needs Mama's help. You need Mama's help to play with your first toy, don't you, sweetie? Hey, baby girl. Hey, can you say hello to all the fans out there? Say hello, Granddad Lang. Hello, G-Bob. Hello, Grandpa Neil. Hello, Nutty Nana. Hello, Granddad Eric. Hello, Uncle Alex and Auntie Abby. And all those people that haven't had the pleasure of meeting me yet. Can't wait to see you soon. I'll be very different next time you see me or when you meet me. 'Cause I'm growing like a weed. I'm growing like a weed. I like to kick my legs. Oh, bless you. Bless you. You kick my legs around and wiggle. Say hi. Say hello, everybody out there. You've been such a good girl, Scout. Such a little sweetie patootie. Sweetie cutie patootie. Here's your toy. Here's your first toy. It's a lion. It's a lion. See his mane. Okay, do you want to say goodbye? Scout, you want to say bye-bye? You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, pretty girl. Say bye-bye? Look at her big hands. And her long, long legs. Her long legs. Oh, feet are cold. Footsies are cold. Say, hey, look at my foot. Check out my foot. Check out my foot. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, you're getting sleepy. Okay. Say bye-bye. 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 I'll see you soon.